Welcome back to the Pregnancy Care Week by Week series with me, Dr. Sairandri Kate. In this series, we are going to discuss about week 3. Week 3 of the pregnancy, and this is the week when the life truly begins. By now, ovulation is completed and the fertilization process has begun. In this process, the sperm fertilizes an egg and it combines to form a single cell zygote. Zygote divides immediately and it travels along the fallopian tubes towards the uterus. Within a few days, it becomes an blastocyst, that is the tiny ball of rapidly dividing cells which will implant into your uterus. Now, many women ask me, can I feel pregnant in the week 3? Answer is no. The process has started, but few women can feel the signs of implantation like mild spotting, cramping, or few women may feel slightly more tired than usual. These can be the few signs of early implantation, and these are not necessary that each woman will have it. Another common question usually asked is, can I take a urine pregnancy test in week 3? The answer is no. It is too early to take a pregnancy test in this week because the pregnancy hormone, that is beta-HCG, is not sufficiently formed by this time. A positive test is more likely to be taken in week 4 or after a missed period. So what can you do in the week 3? Start continuing your healthy habits. Eat healthy, take folic acid, avoid unnecessary medications, avoid smoking, alcohol and excessive caffeine. Continue your yoga and meditation, reduce your stress, keep yourself hydrated. This is the time to give the best environment for the implantation to succeed. Some women also ask that, is my baby really there in week 3? Answer is yes. If the fertilization has occurred, then the tiny group of cells, that is embryo, is formed and it carries the genetic information from both the parents. So to summarize, week 3 is the week of fertilization and implantation. This is the quiet and miraculous things are happening inside your body. You may not feel pregnant, but nature is working on it. In our next episode, we are going to talk about week 4, the week in which finally you can take a pregnancy test and often it can come positive. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts or queries, leave them in the comment box below.